Hi guys, this is Tracy DeMario, and I was just wanting to do a really quick tutorial on how to schedule Facebook posts. It appears that's something that many people are not familiar with how to do, so I thought this might be helpful. I will tell you that I prefer to use Maven for scheduling my posts. However, they don't have a desktop version, and with Zoom, I thought this would be easier for me to just record my screen this way. So if you have Maven, when you go to search projects, to search for products that you might want to share the content, just a little quick tip, instead of hitting share on Facebook, hit copy link, and then you'll be able to do the same thing that we're going to be doing here. Another little tip, if you use mobile a lot, which I do, there's actually an app called Facebook Pages, Pages. It has a yellow flag on it. And if you have that app on your mobile device, it's much easier to do that as well. So I wanted to be sure and share those two tips first. But if you're using your desktop, this is the way I do it. So this is my business page. And if you don't have a business page, you certainly can create one. There's some guidelines on how to do that in both the training center, and I have a unit called social media on our group page, and you can check that out as well. If you need a how-to, if you just Google how to create a business page on Facebook, there's all kinds of tutorials as well. So mine is nothing spectacular. I do make sure that I have something scheduled every day. As you can see right here, I have 27 scheduled posts. So I've already scheduled out for the rest of the month of September. That way I know with certainty that every day I'm going to have something post on my page for people in my news feed to see that have liked my page. So going from this, what you need to do is you need to have some content that you want to share. So I will commonly go on to the marketing tab like this. And I'm going to go over here and grab something. You can actually search things. So let's say I wanted to do diffusers because I haven't maybe promoted them in a while. I'm going to search for an image here. And I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to download this onto my computer. And I'll just use my picture here. Okay, so now I've got that. So now I'm going to go back to Facebook. And I'm going to click here. I want to upload a photo. So I'm going to go back to my pictures. And I'm going to find that Awaken diffuser. There it is. I'm going to put it here. And just post something. Just you can or you don't have to use words, but I like to a lot of times type something out. Okay, so there's something here. And then I need to schedule this. So in order to do that, I'm going to go down here where it says publish and see where it says schedule. Now I'm going to pick my date and time. So I want this to show up tomorrow afternoon. I could change the time if I wanted to, but in this case, I'm going to leave it at 2:21 because that's fine, and I'm going to hit schedule. So now it's uploading my image, and it is scheduled. So if I want to go back and check to make sure that that happened, hit update. Remember before I had 27 scheduled posts, now I have 28. But if I want to see what I have scheduled, I can just click on see posts so that I can go through. Now you do want to use caution whenever you're using things that are limited supply or limited time offerings. You know, you don't want to be scheduling those towards the end of September right now, because what if they sell out between now and then? Yes, if you've got a good memory, you can go in and just edit or delete that post from your scheduling. But if you're like me, I have a short memory, so I wouldn't want to do that. So anytime they have items that are going to be limited time offering, I make sure and do those like right away. So this one says while supplies last, for example, because it's one of our warmers in our harvest collection. So this I can go through and I can look and see what I've already posted, what dates and times I have things to post and such. But it truly is that simple. So I'll just go through and I'll do one more real quick just to show you. Again, if you already have pictures already saved on your computer, then you don't need to go to the marketing resources, but all of the images in the marketing resources are approved, so that makes it really nice. Otherwise, you want to be sure you're using stuff that you're getting from people that you know you can trust. And now in this case, I'm just going to type something here. Okay, so I'm just going to use words. I'm going to go down to publish, schedule, and I'm going to make this one happen on Monday, and I'm going to change this to the evening time and hit schedule. Then you can go through, and you can also schedule posts in groups as well. So if you have a VIP group, the same is true there. But your business page, you want to be sure that, number one, you are making sure you share out your business page so that others are liking it. I know I have it on my labels that I put on all my bars and all of my catalogs and such, and I tell my customers as I'm handing them over their order, be sure to like my business page, because that's where I'm going to be sharing any new products we have or any specials we have going on. So you definitely want to be getting the word out, but I wanted to just be sure that you knew how to do this so you can get your page all set up. This is something you can do pretty much anywhere. So, and again, consider getting that app called the Facebook Pages app, and check out sharing from Maven. When you share from Maven, it has an automatic link to that item, and it takes them shopping to your shopping cart. So I prefer to do it that way whenever possible. Okay, so happy sharing and have a blessed day.